All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be taking a look at Peloton, okay, PTON, and Peloton just reported earnings, and I'm going to give you guys the bullish price targets, okay, as well as the um, bearish price targets, okay. So if you want to trade options on it today, um, the blue line is going to be your breakout level to get into call options, okay. We could face some resistance there and get rejected, and come back down. So that's an area to either take profit or be cautious at. But Peloton has been on a major downtrend. It spiked up, here recently, due to some rumors about Amazon possibly purchasing it, but that was just rumors. Our base support is going to be 35.78, okay, and the breakout level is 40.35. Below 35.78, we are going to be looking at seeing 31.4. Okay, 31.4 is going to be like our bearish price target range. And above our breakout level 40.35, we have 44.8 is going to be our bullish price target. Okay, now we're looking at the 1 hour chart right now. This blue box down here is a daily gap. Okay, so if we go to the daily chart, for instance, and zoom in here on the daily chart, you guys can see that there's a very big gap on the daily chart from about 60 all the way up to like 80, 85. All right. Now, daily gaps tend to fill about 90 to 95% of the time historically, in the stock market. It's just a matter of when, okay? When is it going to fill? Is it going to be years? Is it going to be months? Is it going to be days, right? Nobody has the answer. But, this is what I'm more interested in is the gap down, okay? Because basically we had a bunch of kind of, I wouldn't even say misinformation, but it was just rumor. It was just rumor news. Okay. We had rumor news that we came up, um, and Amazon was going to be buying them. They've been selling off really hard, but they gapped up here within the past 3 days. All right. And so, those daily gaps, they also tend to fill about 90 to 95% of the time. So what better time for them to, come down and fill this gap is, in my opinion, after some false, rumors right after earnings when the company does not have good outlook, right? Inflation is supposed to be really bad. Lots of companies like Apple, okay, are raising prices, um, due to this. Well, Peloton is, seeing less sales, so they're not really in the position to raise prices more. And, we're going to be heading into an economic situation where possibly consumers are going to be spending less money anyways. So, that's why we have the 1 hour chart pulled up here. I'm personally looking to, get some puts on Peloton. I think Peloton can drop, we're really close to this base support 35.78. And if we don't find support there today, then I think over time we'll hit this, bearish price target at 31.4 and then eventually come down to the gap fill down to 25. Okay. Now remember, this is not financial advice. This can go both ways. Okay. So, we have a pretty clear bull flag here. This is, basically what I have charted up is the bull flag and the breakout level, the bull flag, the bullish price targets, and everything right there. Okay. So if you like this video, if you like my style, let me know in the comment section. That would really help out a lot. One thing that another reason kind of the why I think it's going to go down, I'll go ahead and throw this in here too, just for you guys, okay, is the bearish divergence, okay? I have a bearish divergence tutorial in the top right-hand corner, but basically, just look at that. We have an uptrend line on the stock and then a downtrend line on the RSI, okay? This means that, there's an indication of future bearishness in the market, all right? So with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'm out.